I want to introduce you to one of our most popular categories for those of you with dry lips, JKC's Lip Dew. We currently have 6 shades, 1 that is called the original that is clear, with 5 that have tints. These feel so hydrating and they repair the lip. They have avocado oil, aloe, and each one has a vitamin C core. Now let me show you what they look like on the skin. The original Lip Dew. This is the one that I said was clear. If you don't want a tint, this is a great place to start. It does feel good, adds a tiny bit of shine like a lip balm, not like a lip gloss, so therefore it's not sticky. This one looks orange, but it does go on completely clear. Next is the Cashmere Lip Dew. If you like more of a nude brown, not a lot of pigment, this one is for you. It's just kind of a suede brown with a little bit of a pink, almost like a natural lip tone. Japanese Magnolia, so you can see it has a little bit more of a pinky berry tone to it. Will give you a little bit more of a pop of color, but all 3 of these are very sheer, almost like you ate a popsicle and it stains your lip. Next up is the Rosy Lip Dew. This is one of the original ones. It's been around since the very beginning of Lip Dew. It's best for more of a light to fair skin. Cranberry is good for all skin tones. It has more of a cranberry red undertone. If you have a medium to dark skin tone, I like Dahlia. It does have more pigment, but it has kind of a raspberry look to it. Personally, I like to wear the tints during the day, and I use the original at bedtime after I've washed my face. Now you can have smoochable, soft, hydrated lips.